Jamaican stories that will have you wondering why people so wicked. Chappa love. Full story. A young lady met the love of her life one day when he pulled up to her feet driving a brand new Mark X. At that time the Mark X was the trending car. Even the blind could see that he was a Chappa, the type of hustler that most Jamaican girls drop draws for. He was the talk of the town and every woman wanted a piece of him, not only because him money tall, but because he was also handsome and funny. She saw baby father potential in his eyes. They started dating and all seemed to be well. She was madly in love with him, and he did all he could to make her comfortable. Over time, despite some confrontations from his ex, she was wifey. If you saw him you must see she, side by side like Bonnie and Clyde. One day he suggested that they go to the river. The time was hot, so she agreed. On the way she realized that they weren't going to the river where everybody go. So she just assumed that they are going to a more private river. When they got there, the river was a little bit deep in the bushes, but it was kinda romantic, so she went with it. They found a nice cool spot, and locked on completely. He suddenly held her hands and lead her out into the water. It wasn't that deep, so she wasn't concerned. Plus, she trusted him. They stood in the water for a few minutes when he told her that he'll be right back and head towards the river bank. Suddenly, she felt a weird feeling taking her over, and when she looked down, she saw the water getting black around her. She screamed out to him for help, but by this time, he was just looking at her, not responding. Just watching.
Follow Jamaican True
She
Stories.
fought her way out of that water calling for Jesus, and it was only by divine favor that she was able to get free. Once she got to the river bank, he started to ask her what happened as if he didn't just see. She did the smart thing and pretended as if she hardly remembered what happened when whole time she wanted to cry her eyes out. She was terrified of him. She just felt deep in her spirit that he had something to do with it. There was this eerie look in his eyes as she was crying out to him for help. It was almost like he was dead inside. Like he knew it was going to happen. The ride home was silent. When she got to his house, she told him that she was feeling sick and that she needed to go see her mother. That was the last time he ever saw her. He searched high and low for her until he finally heard that she had migrated.
Like, follow, and share Jamaican True Stories for more.